Hi everyone. I just wanted to take a couple of minutes here and introduce myself. My name is Tara Lombardi. For many years I've been a jewelry artist, and recently, after spending some time with my parents, my dad actually got me into the fluid art. He invited me to come and paint with him, and because he had recently taken it up. And so after watching some YouTube videos and kind of checking things out, and he had already done a lot of research on it. So then we tried it together, and it was super fun. So I haven't looked back. I love doing it, super excited about it, and kind of ready for this new chapter. So I've had a lot of inspiration watching Rustoleum, Heather Mader, love Kathleen Ozmore from COZ Creations, Molly from Molly's Artistry, Courtney Holscher. A lot of different people have really helped me to get like technique down, and paints and paint mixtures and so many different things. So I'm super excited to kind of start this new venture, and by no means am I at all artistically trained. So I'm a novice, but I love doing it, and if I can do it, then you can do it. That's all I have to say. So that's pretty much it. This is my buddy Baxter. He's very sleepy right now. I have a little Finley running around too, but he must be in bed. He puts himself to bed in my bed. So he's probably in there. But anyways, I'm excited about this. If you guys like what you see, hit the notification bell, subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up. I'm excited to meet you all. Love to have comments and some feedback. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get started now. So it's nice to meet you, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. Hello everyone, welcome to today's Kathleen Ozmore's inspired swipe. I'm using a Master's Touch gallery wrapped canvas today. And my paints, I'm using the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic mixed with a little of the Rustoleum metallic accents in real pewter. So I just took a little bit of this and mixed it with my my black to give it a little bit of shine, a little different. So then I'm using the rose gold metallics DecoArt, as well as the DecoArt metallics. I've got silver and antique bronze, and last but not least is the golden iridescent pearl. So that's what I've got today that I'm going to use. So let's get going. closer look here. It really is pretty. That rose gold showed up really pretty. I like it. These cells are pretty. I did some fiddling with it after I left you, so here is a full creation. Thanks for joining me today, guys. It was fun.